Tonight we're chilling with the crew. See man. Sitting down with all my friends under the island moon, music playing from the speaker, good vibes coming soon. Tanoa